My name is Manuel, and on this year's EMO we present our new digital solution ToolSelect, which helps you to find your tools in just 90 seconds. It's a workpiece-based selection tool to get the right tools for your component. Then I just show you how easy it is. So basically you can use the ToolSelect just on our web shop, and you can use either the manual input or you use the 3D model upload. I can just select an example file so that it's just going easier. Just select your 3D model, and then you can open the workpiece. You just have to do some minor inputs, like you select the material, you select your cutting operations, and then you can just search your tools. The ToolSelect finds the best tools for you from the machine interface to the cutting edge. And now you see you've got different solutions for your workpiece. And if you just hover over the different operations in the ToolSelect, then you see in red on your workpiece which is the surface that's gonna get cut with this tool. You have different solutions, as I said, and you can just hover over the different tools. You can just buy the solution directly, or you just save the workpiece for later. If you add something to the basket, then also your workpiece relation will stay in the basket. So you see in the basket there is a label that says this tool was added from ToolSelect for this operation, internal longitudinal turning. So you just can take over till you order all of the workpiece relation.